ये मैटर जो मैं आपको बोलने जा रहा हूँ, आप इस मैटर को हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर पे टाइप करके आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को जान सकते हैं और अपने शॉर्टहैंड को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है।
Get ready, start. There shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any officer under the state. No citizen shall, on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth, residence, or any of them, be ineligible for or discriminated against in respect of any employment of office under the state. Nothing in this article shall prevent Parliament from making any law prescribing in regard to a class or classes of employment or appointment to an office under the government of or any local or other authority within a state or union territory, any requirement as to residence within the state or union territory prior to such employment or appointment. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for the reservation of appointments or posts in favor of any backward class of citizens which, in the opinion of the state, is not adequately represented in the services under the state. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation in matters of promotion with consequential seniority to any class or classes of posts in the services under the state in favor of scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes which, in the opinion of state, are not adequately represented in the services under the state. The Constitution Act 1995 broadened the reservation provisions for job promotions encompassing individuals belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Since 1955, the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes have had access to the facility of reservation in the promotion. However, the Supreme Court stated in its decision dated 16th November 1992, the reservation of appointments or posts under Article 16(4) of the Constitution is restricted to initial appointment. Further, it cannot extend to a reservation in matter of promotion. Further, it cannot extend to a reservation in matters of promotion. The interests of the SC and STs will be harmed by this Supreme Court decision. It is vital to continue the current decision. It is vital to continue the current dispensation of offering reservations in promotion for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes, since their representation in services in the states has not achieved the requisite level. The government has chosen to maintain the prevailing policy of reservation in the promotion of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in light of its commitment to safeguarding the interests of these groups. To achieve this, it is necessary to change Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. This is accomplished by adding a new clause 4A to the aforementioned article that established a reservation in promotion for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from considering any unfilled vacancies of a year which are reserved for being filled up in that year in accordance with any provision for reservation made under clause 4 or clause 4A as a separate class of vacancies to be filled up in any succeeding year or years, and such class of vacancies shall not be considered together with the vacancies of the year in which they are being filed up for determining the ceiling of 50% reservation on total number of vacancies of that year. यहाँ पर जहाँ जहाँ भी अगर सिंगल आर्टिकल है वो भी सब कैपिटल होगा, क्योंकि ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का आर्टिकल की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे।